Welcome to EVS class student. Very happy morning to all. How are you children? Fine? That's good. We already started the lesson houses we live in. This lesson we already started. So let's revise some points which we learned in previous class. Okay, let's start. Children, we need houses to live in. It is very necessary for us because it protects us from heat, cold, rain and bad weather. It protects us from wild animals and thieves. We feel safe and comfortable inside our house. So children, we need house. Then there are two types of houses based on resources present in that area. One is kacha house and the second is pakka house. Now see children, this is kacha house. Kacha house is made of mud, straw leaves and wood. Then pakka house. This is pakka house. And pakka house is made of cement, bricks, iron, steel, glass and wood. Okay children? Then the next topic we have learned temporary houses. What is meant by temporary houses? Some houses can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. See children here, some houses can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. Then first temporary house is houseboat. It floats on water. Isn't it beautiful? Then the second house is wheel caravans. It is house on wheels. Bus, cars are converted into the houses. Generally, nomads people use wheel caravans. Then the third temporary house is tents. See children here, this is tents. And these houses are made of canvas, a type of cloth. Now today we will see some special types of houses. Let's go to enjoy the trip. See children, this is an igloo. An igloo, also known as snow house. In cold area like Arctic and Greenland, so snow is present throughout the year, means in summer also. In that situation, normal house cannot last in their environment. So, for that area, igloos were invented. Eskimo people live in igloo. Igloo are built out of bricks of ice. But how do the Eskimos stay warm inside an igloo when the igloo is made out of ice itself? Isn't it magic? Yes? Because the ice bricks are airtight and the outside air is not allowed to enter in the igloo. See children, this is an igloo. See children here. So, igloo is also a temporary house. It is also a temporary house. Now, the next special house is stilt house. Stilt houses are made in areas that are generally flooded due to heavy rain. In India, it is mainly found in flood-prone areas of Brahmaputra river valley like Assam. Whenever rain comes, water level increases. See in the picture, children, water level increases here. So they make stilt house. A stilt house stands on a set of wooden posts. See children, it stands on wooden posts and it is quite high above the ground. Mainly it is 4 to 5 feet high above the ground, so that water could not enter in their houses. See children, this is stilt house. Then the next type is houses with slanting roofs. These houses can easily slide off the rain, snow and will not let water to be collected there. See children here, these are the slanting roofs. See here, so that water is not collected here. In places where it rains or snows a lot, houses have slanting roofs to allow the rain or snow to fall down easily. So here we completed the lesson. Let's revise the today's topic. Today we have learned some special houses. First is igloo. Igloos. This type of house made of snow and it is used by Eskimos. Then the second is stilt houses. The area receives heavy rainfall. Their houses are built on stilts. It is quite high above the ground and these houses stand on a set of wooden posts. Then the next is houses with slanting roofs. Places where rains or snow a lot, slanting roofs houses allow the rain or snow to fall down easily. So children, houses are very important for us. It gives us shelter. So we should look after our house and keep it clean also. You help your mother to clean your house. Okay children? Read the lesson carefully children. Take care and thank you. Bye bye.